So continue to spread the light. We just want to share the Helping Without Hurting. It's a course that the Chalmers Centers offers, and you're going to find in your inboxes, and it's well below. Project Restore Ministry is actually hosting, if you're on Facebook, you're actually going to see the link for Project Restore Ministries. They are offering a Helping Without Hurting course this spring. So if you want to join the Helping Without Hurting course, it's going to be online through Project Restore Ministries. Check it out with them, because we have learned so many things about poverty alleviation. And it's so much more than just how do we help the poor. It's about how do you see the poor. It's about how do you come in and help materially poor people. For those who are on the material poor side, this morning I mentioned you might be poor in spirit and you have all the wealth in the world. So the dynamics of the things that we're learning in this course, in this book, it's a two-way street. It's not just for the material or poor. There is something about us who have the money and the funds and the resources to transform communities through the gospel.